Shrubs. In this module, you will learn about shrubs. It is Sunday morning. Sid's father is gardening. Sid has also joined him. Let us see what they are up to. Look, Sid's father is planting a rose plant. Rose plant is a shrub. You may already know that shrubs are plants that are smaller than trees. They are also called bushes. The stem of a shrub is woody, but it is thin as compared to the trees. An interesting fact about shrubs is that they have multiple stems. Some other examples of shrubs are hibiscus plant, jasmine plant, cotton plant, and tea plant. Let's recap. Shrubs are plants that are smaller than trees. Shrubs have thin and woody stems. Shrubs have multiple stems.